just going to give you a video of this JSIEEM wireless doorbell that comes with 2 Chime receivers and 1 doorbell transmitter. I've laid all the contents out just to show you what you get. So first of all, you get your 2 raw plugs, 2 screws and a double-sided sticky pad, and in there also you've got a small screwdriver which is used for the doorbell transmitter. At the bottom there's a little slot that you have to prise the doorbell open with to pull the plastic tab out, which I've already done. So when you push it, it illuminates. As you can see, it's just a touch sensor, so that illuminates blue around the edges. And then you've got your instruction pamphlet, which basically is just a plug and play, so there's no really to look at that. Then you've got your 2 Chime receivers that just a 3-pin plugs into your main socket. In the written review I write the size of the doorbell transmitter and the receivers as well. The side of the actual receiver has 3 buttons. The top button is your volume, the middle button is your melodies, and then the bottom button is a learning code for pairing with other transmitters. The instruction says that you can pair it with 8 transmitters. The display looks like it's got LEDs, it flashes, but I'll demonstrate that in a minute just to show you what it looks like. The build quality feels good. It's plastic, but it feels sturdy, so that's okay. And the other one is identical as well. So what I'll do is I'll plug it in now and demonstrate some of the chimes and show you what it looks like when it's illuminating in the dark. I'll demonstrate some of its melodies and the flashing LED. I've just plugged it in because they're quite big, the receivers, just to show you can get another sort of large plug next to it if it's plugged into a double socket. So just have a look at and test some of its melodies. Just going to give you a demonstration of the loudness. At the moment it's on level 4, so if I push the doorbell button, if I push it again, and then the last one is just LED flashing, so you don't have to have the chimes on. So if I push the back to loudness, and now this is one that I prefer, what I'm going to set mine to, like Big Ben. So there's 36 melodies, I'm not going to go for everyone. Jingle bells, Nokia by the sounds of it. So as I say, I'm not going to go for all of them like I said, so I hope you found this helpful.
Today I'm going to take a closer look at this wireless doorbell. So this is how it sounds at maximum volume. There's actually 3 buttons on the side allowing you to change the volume, change the melody, and simply changing the color, tone and other functions of this wireless doorbell. So here are some of the melodies that this doorbell comes with. You can easily change it by pressing the button at the bottom and then pressing the doorbell. So if I were to press it again, you can see it has a different melody. You can change whether you want it to have either a tone or the lights, or the light itself, or just the tone. Or both.